Hey there, welcome back to the Business Promote, where we bring you the best deals and products from around the web. Today, we've got something special for all you sneakerheads out there. That's right, we're unboxing the Air Jordan 11 Retro Cool Grey, courtesy of our friends over at ckshoes.com. But before we dive into this sweet pair, let me tell you about the amazing deals you can find on their website. ckshoes.com is your one-stop shop for all things footwear. Whether you're into Air Jordans, Yeezys, Dunks, or New Balances, they've got you covered. And with their weekly deals, combo sales, and new releases, you'll always stay ahead of the game. But here's the best part, by joining their Discord or WhatsApp community, you'll unlock an exclusive 25% discount code. Just hit them up at WhatsApp +1 838 900 1437 and start saving today. And if that's not enough, here's a little bonus for our viewers: use the coupon code TBP at checkout for an additional $15 off your purchase. That's right, more savings, just for being part of the Business Promote family. Now, let's get into the main event. Thanks to ckshoes.com, we've got our hands on these stunning Air Jordans. From the iconic design to the premium materials, every detail screams quality. And guess what? You can get your own pair right now by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this must-have addition to your collection. So there you have it, folks. Head over to ckshoes.com, grab your favorite kicks, and step up your sneaker game today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing deals. Until next time, stay stylish.